And we live. Yeah, so basically I'm going to be talking about one of the recent updates by ChatGPT, which is ChatGPT Vision, which allows you to be able to read images, and it gives you appropriate feedback based on the images you give it and the prompts that you ask it to do. So I'm going to be showing you in a bit. It's one of the recent updates, and I think it's quite interesting. So you have to have the ChatGPT 4 subscription, and as you can see, default you can upload images, right? I'm going to play with DALL-E 3 later on. So for this, let me show you a couple case studies that I think I find quite interesting. So I'm going to upload an image with a broken damaged glasses, and in a minute, let's see. Yeah, broken glasses. All right, and I'm going to ask it simple. I'm going to give it a simple prompt, which will be, what's wrong with these glasses and how do I fix it? Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so it's started to give out feedback. So yeah, what's wrong with these glasses? As you can see, so these glasses in the image appear to have a broken or detached temple arm. To fix this issue, you can follow these general steps. So it's telling you to examine the damage, missing screw, broken frame, and it's also telling you exactly how to go about fixing it yourself. And the last is also, asking you could just consider a replacement or get a professional repair. Okay, so it has steps for you to go about fixing these glasses. Okay, so pretty decent. It was able to recognize it and also able to give a good step-by-step way of going about finding a solution to it. So let's try another one, and this one I'm going to prompt it to be a particular kind of person, right? There are more complex way of doing this, but I want to go the simple route for now. So I would attach an image of a food, right? And I would say, you are a world-class, I know, it's trying to fix it. So you're a world-class master chef. Describe this food, and let's see what it's going to do. So here's the image. As you can see, I had this. It was really delicious. Anyways, so here is what's able to bring out. Grilled whole fish. Yeah, so it was able to get that. Savory stew. Exactly, that was the stew. And also yuca fries. Pretty accurate. Also grilled plantains, very, very accurate. Okay, so with just this image, and together these dishes represent a harmonious blend of textures and flavors, showcasing a fusion of perhaps traditional and contemporary culinary techniques. Amazing. And this is it. Very delicious. So yeah, it was able to describe it in detail exactly how the food is. So let's check out another one. Right, it's still a world-class master chef, and I want him or her to be able to make a couple or give me a food option from these ingredients that I have. So as you can see, what food can I make from these ingredients, and give me a detailed step-by-step on how to make it. Let's see what's going to bring out. So as you can see, with a wide array of ingredients provided, one can create numerous dishes, and a couple recipes that make use of this amount of ingredients. So you can see salmon and veggie quinoa bowl with a turmeric ginger dressing. So it's laid out the ingredients, and it also gave a step-by-step instructions on exactly how to make this dish. As you can see, quinoa preparation: raise 1 cup of this in a saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, stir in this fluff with a fork and set aside. Salmon preparation, the same thing: veggies, turmeric, ginger, and it keeps on going. So I think it did a pretty good job in actually bringing out the list of food ingredients and exactly how to go about creating this really, really good one. So let's take it up a notch. I would upload another image, and this will be a character, and also will let him know, allow it to describe the character, and also give it a role, right? So yeah, that's me. And let's see, describe this character, and what role can this character play best in a TV show. Let's see how we go about it. So yeah, this is it. It says this image features a man with a strong and expressive gaze. Given his demeanor, he could be cast in various roles in a TV show. So he could be a protagonist in a drama series because it was intense gaze, a detective or police officer, a medical drama lead, an action series, hero, romantic lead, teacher or mentor, regardless of the... Yeah, so I think he pretty did a good, decent job from this image, right? So yeah, that's pretty good. So let's try another, last but not the least, and I'll try to open another chat so I don't, mix the people I've given the chats to be. The first one I gave it to be master chef, so let me not try to go against that. So let me open another one, and as usual, so I'm gonna upload an image of a social media page, and I'm going to ask it that you are an expert social media manager and optimizer. How do I optimize the page to increase engagements and followers from the ideal audience? I mean, we are affiliated with this page, and I saw it on Instagram, and just thought it would be a cool way to go about it. So let's check it out. So optimizing a social media page like the one you shoot from Instagram involves a mix of strategic, aesthetic, and interactive elements. Here are some steps. Profile aesthetics. So you're seeing profile picture, ensure the profile picture is relevant and easily recognizable. In this case, the BH logo is unique. So this is what it's talking about. It says content strategy bio. The bio should be concise and tell the visitor exactly what they can expect. So the current bio mentions teaching people the theme page business. Consider rephrasing. So you say we should rephrase this, teaching people the theme page business. So you're saying you should rephrase it to provide more clarity, because some people might see it and they may not really get what it's talking about. I guess that's what it means. Content strategy, quality over content, quantity. Ensure that the content you post is high quality, high resolutions, content team, establish content pillars, for example, entrepreneur tips, success stories, myth busting post, content. It goes on and on. It's a lot, right? I'm not going to go through all this, but you get the gist, right? Obviously the page is doing something quite well to have these followers, but again, it can always be better, especially for new pages. It's more, this advices will definitely make more impact if you actually go through it. So yeah, that is it. I hope you found this useful, and I would like to know your thoughts on this and what you guys are doing with it. So as usual, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Hopefully this add value, and I'll see you in the next video.